Hey friends, it's Chef Wainaina. Today I'm sharing with you this very easy to make and delicious rice and meat recipe, a dish that seems to be on an upswing courtesy of one Riggy G. Let's jump onto the stove and start this recipe. This recipe starts by cutting this 3-pound Angus beef into bite size. I will slightly pat it dry with a paper towel. This is a long cooking cut of beef, so we'll definitely have to give it time. If you want, you can trim some of this fat. Once you do that, just cut it into some nice bite size. Once all the beef is cut, season, salt and pepper right here on the table, and then we are going to start searing this. Into this deep preheating pan, add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or any oil of your choice, and then right away add the beef and sear until it's browned on all sides. Takes about 10 minutes. You want to make sure that your beef is about in one layer. As the beef browns, I'll smash 4 cloves of garlic or about a tablespoon. Just roughly chop this and set it aside. Peel a small knob of ginger. Take about a tablespoon of this and just mince it. Mix this too. This is about a half a bunch of cilantro that I'm going to chop, roots and part of the stems. Add this to my ginger garlic meat. I love cooking with those. And then this I'm going to chop and save for garnishing and cooking. This beef is all browned on one side. Just come and turn it and have it brown on the other side. Just roughly chop these fresh herbs, rosemary and thyme. Oh, this beef looks so beautiful. It's all browned. Add ginger, garlic and the cilantro stems. Also add 1 medium-sized onion. Saute these just to sweat them. A good time to add my fresh herbs, thyme, rosemary, 2 bay leaves, just a pinch of red pepper flakes, and season with some more black pepper and salt. Once the onions and the garlic have sweated, add about 4 cups of beef broth. This is unsalted and store-bought. You can use water. Just cover the beef. Add a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Give this a stir. I can actually add these stems from my thyme. I will remember to fish them out once the dish is done. I will leave all the ingredients in the description box for your ease and following. Cover this and bring to a boil. Cook for about an hour or until the beef starts to soften. So as the beef continues to cook, it's a good time to go ahead and finish up with the rest of the vegetables. I have 2 potatoes, some peppers that I will need just about a cup, a carrot, 2 tomatoes. I will also go ahead and wash and rinse my rice. Oh, this looks super delicious. This has been cooking for about an hour or so, just to give the beef a head start. Pull out these stems, they've done their job. I will leave the bay leaves for now. This beef is almost done. So now into the pot, add 2 potatoes that I cut into medium-sized dices. Into the pot goes the peppers, tricolors. You can do 1 color if that's all you have. 1 small carrot. This is a very good way actually to stretch the beef with all the prices going up. Vegetables are a very good filler. Add some cilantro, and then we can also add the tomatoes. Season with some salt and pepper. Cover this and cook for about 5 minutes to soften the vegetables slightly. Now add 2 cups of basmati rice. I'm sure this is a dish that even Riggy J will appreciate. Lots of warus, peas, a very adaptable one that you can use any vegetable that you have around you. Cover this pot, bring to a boil. Cook for about 15 minutes or until the rice is cooked, the carrots and the vegetables are all nicely cooked and will be ready to serve. Let's open this pot and see what's going on here. So this rice and meat dish has been cooking for about 15 minutes or so. Add some peas. This dish will not be complete without it. Add a heaping of cilantro. Some lemon zest, this is definitely optional, and some lemon juice. Just a touch of salt, pepper. Give this a stir. Turn off the heat. Now put back the lid. Leave it for about 10 minutes to reabsorb all those liquids and finish cooking. This rice and meat potatoes with carrots and lots of vegetables dish is all done, nice, moist. Serve it family style as is, just set it on the table and everybody to dig in, or serve it individually with this refreshing coleslaw that elevates it to the high tables. All I'm left to do is dig into this dish. Some slow. So friends, so there you have it, my version of rice, meat and potatoes, a dish that has really gained a lot of popularity of recent times. I hope it's a recipe that you can try at home and you and your family will definitely enjoy. I will see you in the next one as you enjoy this RJ special.